Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the grammar and spelling check tool for your documents on Google Docs, for example, to give Google Docs the permission to proofread and to check your text in terms of mistakes like grammar or spelling mistakes and to correct these for you. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. All right, so we're on that example document here. And as you can see, I added this typo or mistake here for the sake of the tutorial purposes with a double P here, which is obviously a mistake. Now guys, if you overlook mistakes like that, you may, for example, ask Google Docs to find these mistakes for you and to proofread and to correct them. To do that, simply click on Tools here at the top, hover your mouse over Spelling and Grammar, and enable the Spelling and Grammar check to the right. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-X on your keyboard. And after that, you will see that window popping up here to the right with, for example, with your mistakes. As you can see, the Google Docs found this mistake, and it also gives you a suggestion how to correct the given mistake. You may ignore it if you like, or what I would recommend you do is click on Accept to let Google Docs correct that mistake automatically for you. So let me do that really quickly, and there you go. As you can see, the extra P has been removed automatically by Google Docs. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got somebody from it, and we'll see you later.